Hello guys, as you know, I'm Sarvar Khan and you're watching Tech Badsha. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you about bug mails in Bugzilla. So we are going to cover filing a bug with email alerts enabled, updating a bug fields while the email alerts are enabled, and ignoring bug emails. To be able to see it, let's quickly jump to the computer screen and start filing a bug. Now we are back to the computer screen. Let's see how alert works while you file a bug. To be able to file a bug, simply click on file a bug or you can click on new. I will click on file a bug. I will choose the product as document manager. You can choose any product that you have. I have just kept this issue description ready. I will say scan and capture as utility, selecting a version. Let's decide a priority, say maybe normal, and then you see this is the default assignee. It's getting assigned to me. Then you need to give a summary. I'm pasting it here. Error while uploading files in document manager. I'm copying pasting the same thing into the comment section. The steps, I'm saying this line, click upload, browse and submit. Okay, let's try with an attachment. I would say add an attachment, choose it. Okay. Pictures. Okay, error, I'm selecting error.jpg and saying open. Okay, okay, then submit a bug. You can see the other fields as well. If you want to change anything, I'm not changing it, simply saying submit a bug. A value must be set to past QA testing. Okay, there's a mandatory field past QA testing which I have missed it. Going back, okay, past QA testing, I'm saying say no. Okay, and clicking on submit a bug. Okay, so this particular bug got created in the system and you will see it says bug id 5 has been successfully created and email sent to techbadsha. That's my email. And now let's do one thing quickly, look at the email which we have received. Bugzilla. So this is the way the bug email works. You can see the bug ID, the summary, the product, which version it is, hardware, okay, status, severity, priority, components, assignee, and who is the reporter. So these are the things that you see in your bug email. Successfully, we have filed our bug using email alerts enable settings. So this is completed. The first point, filing a bug with the email alert. We'll look for updating the bug fields with email alert. Let's go to the screen. So what I want to do is say importance, I'm changing it to say high. Okay, in the enhancement subcategorization, I'm making it say normal. Sorry, cannot be normal. I would say major. Okay, because why I'm saying major, because obviously here I'm selecting high and then here I cannot select low, normal. That's like a kind of understanding we should have while filing the bug. And obviously these are the options that you see. It's a part of system setting wherein you want to allow or don't want to allow to the reporter at the time of reporting. So that importance we had selected it, that was actually reflecting as priority. Okay, so what we'll do is here the save button is already there. Here we can click on save changes or scroll down and click on save changes. Here you have an option to write a comment. Since I have updated the importance, I would say updated. It's not mandatory, but yeah, it's good to have. Okay, and I would click save changes. Okay, it says changes submitted to bug 5 and email sent to TechBar. This is the assignee of that particular. Okay, let's go back to the again our mailbox and see if there is anything. Yeah. Okay, this particular alert has come while I have updated a particular bug field. It says who has updated and the bug ID obviously. Severity was enhancement, what I have removed this and what I have added. I removed enhancement and added major. Priority have changed from normal to high. So this is what kind of alert system throws when someone updating a particular bug field. We'll go back here now. We have now ignoring the bug emails. Okay. So what happens is there are two ways to do it. One is you set a preference. Okay. We'll go to preferences section. It's a nice option available in Bugzilla. So here you go email preferences. Okay. So this is something an individual or maybe a user in Bugzilla is given these kind of options. So when my relationship to this bug is okay. So it's like when I'm assigning, I'm added to remove the capacity or CC'd or a new bug is created. So these kind of options are available. So this is your role, okay? Assignee, reporter, or CC to any of the bugs. For example, this time say I don't want whenever a bug is created in the system, what I can do, I can remove these options, okay? Whenever or you want to have, okay, let's if somebody is marking me in CC, I need to be able to say it. Okay, if I'm a reporter, then I should be able to see it. But when it's assigned, then it should not come. So these type of options are available, whenever a bug field is, a particular bug is marked. So that's the way it works, and you can also explore the other options in the preferences section of your email preferences. So that's very important settings, considering sometimes the people don't want, because sometimes what happens, there are multiple bugs in the system wherein the prioritization changes frequently. There may be possibly a new bugs being created in the system very frequently. Maybe say maybe you have an organization where hundreds of bugs are getting filed, so you may not want to see those alerts. Probably you will prefer to go in the system, log in manually, and then see those. So that is why these kind of options are available, that you can always uncheck and save, submit the changes. Also, if you have particular bug for which you don't want to have email alerts, you can have those bug ID here and submit it. So for those kind of alerts, you are not going to receive. So this is the way you're ignoring bug. Now coming to the other option, there is a system setting which talks about it, wherein the other option that is available is the user section, that an administration person who have got access to administration can decide. Okay, let's go to users section and find out that setting. I'm doing a blank search, so it results. The results will be all. I am selecting say my ID. Okay, and here is get lot of options to see bug email disabled. Okay, if you select this option, what happens, anything which is there, any activity in Bugzilla, irrespective of what is said in the preferences section, it's going to be ignored. That means for this particular user, the bug mails will be ignored. So this is the way a bug mail works. So if somebody don't wants at all that there should not be any kind of alerts, so we are disabling those alerts. There may be certain users in the system, probably they want to log in and look at the reports but they are not interested to see any alerts. In that case, this is the best way to work on. And what good thing is that whenever this Bugmail disable option is enabled for a particular user, the password reset is not affected. Meaning, if the user has forgot the password, they can still use forgot password option and receive email. Okay, so we have seen ignoring bug emails. Next is we're gonna talk about whining in our coming tutorials. So that's beautiful options available when in an automatic email is triggered to you on your email a particular time when you want to receive. So that's something we'll look into it in some time coming tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.